Welcome to the future of research and development. Are you ready to revolutionize your R&D process? The pace of innovation is accelerating, and R&D teams face intense pressure to deliver breakthroughs faster than ever before. But here's the question. Are you truly maximizing your R&D efficiency by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence? Introducing the R&D AI Kit, your definitive digital product designed to accelerate innovation and turn complex data into actionable insights. What makes this kit the essential tool for modern researchers and developers? Let's look at the key digital product features. The core value of the R&D AI Kit is providing a structured, step-by-step application of AI, moving you beyond guesswork and into strategic research. Our downloadable PDF includes 100 carefully crafted prompts, giving you instant, high-impact starting points for any R&D challenge you face. The R&D AI Kit is more than just prompts. It's a comprehensive bundle designed for maximum utility. The how-to-use manual provides simple, straightforward steps for immediate implementation, ensuring you hit the ground running with zero learning curve. We've curated and vetted the 5 best AI tools, specifically proven to accelerate R&D tasks, saving you countless hours of trial and error. And our Use Cases and Examples PDF offers real-world inspiration, showing you exactly how these prompts and tools can be applied to solve complex problems. Why invest in the R&D AI Kit? Because the benefits directly impact your bottom line and your capacity for innovation. Immediately visualize huge time savings and a significant increase in productivity as AI takes over tedious, repetitive research tasks. Gain a powerful competitive edge by conducting smarter, more efficient research, keeping you ahead of the innovation curve. It's time to stop researching the old way and start innovating with AI. Click the link in the bio now to download the complete R&D AI Kit bundle, including all the PDFs mentioned, and transform your research process today. For a limited time, take advantage of our exclusive launch discount. Don't miss out on your chance to unlock innovation and maximize your R&D potential.